and Darapa. Crystal's Beauty looking for the lead, iconic Nadia outside and Tori's Bessa. And passing before the judges stand, iconic in the middle, Crystal's Beauty. Around the outside, Tori's Bessa. Cowboy racing for down in fifth tail winner. And followed by Love Story, while Bohemian Dave is running in the tail of the fielder. And out of straight they travel, iconic and Crystal's Beauty. Crystal's Beauty regains the lead, iconic on the outside, 2 lengths back to Tori's Best. Aleng Kanihapi in fourth, Oko Boy, then followed by Love Story, Tailwind, long way back, Bohemian Deva. Passing the half mile, Crystal's Beauty hanging on with the half length lead, followed by iconic. Tori's Best, not the outside, third, 4 lengths back, Oko Boy and Love Story. Inside the last 600, Crystal's Beauty and Tori's Best, not the outside. It's Tori's Best, Crystal's Beauty, and running in third is iconic. 4 lengths back now, Love Story, Oko Boy, long way back, Tailwind, Bohemian Deva. And as they swing for home, Tori's Best from the outside leads by half a length, followed by Crystal's Beauty. And down the stretch they go. It is still Tori's Best, leads by some 2 lengths now, Crystal's Beauty. And running now in third, Love Story, iconic Oko Boy. And finally, it's Tori's Best. Crystal's Beauty, Love Story, iconic Oko Boy, Bohemian Dave, and Tailwind comes in last.